What's going on, beautiful people? D-Lo Brands back for another video, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I just logged into Relevance AI. I don't use this platform a lot, but this pop-up came up. Try our slide builder agent. And if you don't know, we did a video on Gamma. They create AI generated presentation slides. We've done slides with Manus, but I think that Relevance doing this is going to be very, very powerful for businesses. So I wanted to bring you guys a video trying this out, testing its capabilities and how good it is. So let's click Try Slides Agent. And I'm pretty sure that this is basically, chat to create some slides. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to click Slides, at Slide Builder, create slides about why taking care of your feet as a senior leads to lasting health. So we are working with a client right now that provides foot and nail care. So I want to be able to create some slides for that. And we can create a brand kit that will basically make this presentation on brand. So what we will do is I'm currently building out their brand right now. So I'm going to take a screenshot of their brand. So this is just an image, and we're going to do from images. We're going to upload this screenshot, analyzing your brand vibes, extracting the colors, reading between the pixels, and cool. So we have the colors, we have the font style. I do not want to use a mono style, so we're going to use serif, and for the body we will use sans serif. We can upload logos, which I will go ahead and export these really quickly just so we can get a good example. So now that I have gone ahead and exported these, we're going to add the logos. So add, and we have 3 logos right here. We're going to open, and it is going to upload those. And it seems like when you're creating your brand kit, it does pretty well with gauging the actual company if you don't have as much context. So the brand tone: trusted, calm, and modern, caring, clinical sensibility. So I think that this is a good start to our brand kit, and we're going to click done. Actually, we're going to give it a name right here. We're just going to say Gen B, and we're going to click done. And so now we have selected a brand kit for our presentation to basically go off of. Now, Relevance AI is using GPT 4.1, but you can also change this to, GPT 5 or many of the others. So we're going to change it to GPT 5, and we're going to go ahead and press go. So this is basically giving the agent information, and it is going to go ahead and create those presentation slides, create the copy based on our brand kit, and it is going to spit out slides for us to use. And really quickly, if you don't know what Relevance AI is, it basically allows you to create a different AI agents that can do specific things in your business. And they also have pre-built agents on this platform. As you can see, the slide builder is one of its agents. So it started working. It's about to go ahead and create our slides for us, and I will show you guys once it is finished. So on our first test, we actually broke the AI agent inside of Relevance AI. The slides builder just got broken. So I took a look at its thinking process, and I'm looking at where it went wrong. It's saying, I'm thinking whether to produce a file myself or follow the instructions. And I'm reflecting on the instructions. Adding minor might be contradicting. If I can't get the sub agent to function, I'll need to. Okay. So basically it's saying, I want to say create slides about why, blah, blah, blah. I'll include, I need to emphasize that only approved fonts. Yeah. So we broke it. So I'm not sure what happened, but we're gonna try this one more time. So we're back here on the main screen. We're gonna click slides, and slides is in beta, so this is expected, but we're gonna go ahead and paste our same prompt, and we're gonna click go. So let's take a look at its thinking right now. Shouldn't make assumptions. And this is the thing, a lot of AI agents, they like to be proactive. And sometimes in them being proactive, they kind of get confused. They confuse themselves. And this is one thing that will eat up your credits. If this was a credit based, platform, then this could very easily eat up your thinking credits with a specific AI model. So it's thinking about things. The logo remains the same. So I'll pass them along. I need to append the brand guidelines verbatim to use the user's input message. Cool. So it looks like it's attempting this time, and we can only hope that the slides are actually going to come back out. So I'm looking at the thinking now, and it has gotten an error again. It says handling tool error. So the slide builder tool encountered an issue. It attempted it again, and the slide creation agent encountered an unexpected error. So let's just try to, I'm just going to say quickly produce a branded PDF slide deck. I have no preferences. I just want to see it create something, and this is a learning, situation right here. Some companies are going to release things, and there are things that aren't necessarily going to work the best off bat. So we're still kind of in this testing period with AI, making sure that, it can actually follow things. And I'm actually going to change the model because it could be the model that is preventing this from happening. So we're going to open a new chat. We're going to go to slides. We're going to change the model back to GPT 4.1, and we're going to paste the same prompts. Actually, we're going to create slides about why AI is the next big frontier. We're just going to do that. And we're not going to select a brand kit. We're just going to press go and see if it can actually come up with something like this. Let's go back to our other chat. Slide builder is ready. Let's see what it's thinking. We should aim to follow for the final slides. Okay, so it looks like it is actually developing the slide now. I'm not sure what happened. It said the tool call, but maybe it just got confused or something of the sort. So let's go to the other one. And this one has actually done it instantly. And I believe that it may be because the brand kit kind of confused it. And so now we see that it is completely working. So sometimes you have to experiment with the AI tools that you choose to get into. Sometimes it's not going to work perfect off rip. So be sure to, try certain things, because we see that GPT-5 isn't as good at using this specific AI agent to get things done. But GPT 4.1 is a more stable one. So let's see if it has actually, so our deck has actually finished. So we're going to download it and see. Wow. Okay. So look at this. We have an entire presentation. Now, this isn't a horizontal presentation. I'm not sure why it did that, but that's besides the point. It created this. So it put our logo in here. It is using the brand guidelines that we had, and it created this presentation. And I could see, you can put this into Gamma and get a better looking presentation. But right now it does look very, very plain, but it created the slides for us. So, if you wanted to create an outline for something or create a very quick presentation, maybe this can work for you. But let's go ahead and check the other one, because this one looks like it is actually, building something. And so we can see the difference of GPT 4.1 and GPT 5 creating this presentation utilizing the Relevance AI agent. So we have AI, the next big frontier. We have animations. This is probably created in HTML. Nice animations. You can click on things. You can put annotations, and you can use those annotations to make changes. So damn, like this is a really nice presentation. It does look very, very AI. It's a lot of information, but it is formatted in a decent way. So I think that, if you're just needing to create a presentation very, very quickly, then you can definitely utilize Relevance AI Slides Builder. But beautiful people, this is the end of the video. If you did learn something, be sure to leave a like and comment what you think about this new product from Relevance AI. Be sure to join the AIducate AI Lab community. The link will be in the description, and also the link to Relevance AI will be in the description as well. This has been D'Lo Brands, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.